Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ryan House with Cumberland Chiropractic and Sports Medicine. Today we are going to talk about posture. If somebody has told you that yours is crummy or you just simply know that your posture is not very good, you're going to want to watch this video. We're going to talk about 3 exercises that really nobody else is probably talking about that can help you fix yours. So stick around. So there's going to be 2 types of people. One, you can do good posture and you're not doing it. That's a habit. The second type of person is somebody who can't do good posture. So this video is really mostly for you. If you can, or you've worked on these exercises we're about to talk about and you now can, right? I want you to utilize that. We have an amazing video called Desk Ergonomics on our website. We'll link to that below. But simply put, you're going to want to, every time that you sit in a chair, scoot your booty as far back as you can, and you're going to want to almost Velcro your back to the chair. Now, if you've got a headrest like in your car or passenger seat in the car or even a high back chair, stick your head back against that headrest. If you feel something drawing you out of this good posture all day long, then I want you to watch this video and incorporate these exercises, because it could be that tightness is the bully on the front that pulls you out of a good position. So the goal in mind today is to fix your posture, okay? When we're trying to decide what is causing poor posture, one of the big things that we see commonly, not always, but very commonly, that pulls you into or keeps you stuck in a poor posture is called fascia, okay? We've got a picture of the superficial front line of fascia, okay? In poor posture, okay, such as a forward slouched posture, the front side has gotten really tight. The back side has gotten really stretched out and weak, okay? In the opposite way, so like this picture over here, the front side is kind of stretched out, mobile, loose, and the back side is tightened up, short. So the goal is to loosen up what's tight if you're stuck in poor posture and strengthen up what's weak. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the 3 exercises that nobody's talking about that can help you fix your bad posture and ultimately like back pain, okay? So number 1, I want you to think, remember the posture that we are being pulled into. Things are short on the front and long and stretched out on the back. We've got to lengthen that front. First exercise is called press-ups, okay? So I want you to lay on the floor ideally, or the bed if the floor is totally not comfortable for you to get on. I need you to take a giant belly breath into your belly. So you fill up this canister full of breath. If you don't do that, and I just recommended this exercise to you, you could bother your back, but do the breath and you're safe. So giant breath in, watch my belt move. That was as long as I could hold my breath. I'm not only stretching out the front, but I'm shortening the back, and I'm also getting my head up out of my posture, so I'm lengthening my spine. That's a great one for loosening up. Exercise number 2 is called open the book. Again, I want you thinking tight fascia from your chin to your pubic bone, right? The front of your pelvis. So again, giant belly breath in. Then I want you to twist back. I want you to lay your head way back, okay? Opening your book, okay? When you do that, you should feel kind of a stretch coming across from shoulder all the way to the front side of the opposite hip. So we're getting kind of across that superficial tight fascia loosened up. So we've loosened up or stretched out the front side with the first 2 exercises. And the last exercise is to strengthen the back side, okay? I almost want you to think it's like we're kind of loosening the front side here to shorten the back side. Okay, this is called head raises, okay? I want you first of all to watch the video for this one, because you're gonna have to learn to pressurize your Coke can, pressurize your belly, okay? So I'm gonna literally pressurize, fill my belly full of pressure. You've gotta have a stable core when you do this exercise, okay? Number 2, I'm gonna put some pretty good pressure down on my elbows and my shoulder blades drawn toward my pockets. Number 3, I am going to make my spine long and tall as I raise my head. And then I'm gonna let that relax. Pressure, shoulders, elbows, raise my head. I am not doing this because nobody ever sits like that. Okay, we're improving this as our ideal posture. So all the exercises, these 3 exercises that I just shown you, we have links to those in the description of this video down below. So check those links out. They're on our website. We have a ton of great videos on our website too if you care to look around, try to help yourself maybe with some of your problems. But try these exercises. Do it for about 3 weeks straight. If you feel like, man, it is so much easier to sit in my driver's seat or my chair at work, things like that, you will just watch your back pain or even a postural problem just be restored. So if you can't, if you feel like, man, I've done the exercises, they're for one, super uncomfortable, which they shouldn't be, or they're not changing anything, you need to give us a call. We are specialists at finding what might be tight, or maybe it's not even the fascia, maybe it's your shoulder, or maybe it's something that's picky that you need help with. So if there's any questions, please leave them below. If you like this video, give it the thumb, right? And if you need our help, give us a call here at the office. This is Dr. Ryan House with Cumberland Chiropractic, where we get you better faster.